Hey. Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedrian. Sean Kingston sentenced to 3.5 years in prison for $1 million fraud scheme. He will also serve 3 years probation following his release. He was remanded and taken to the Bureau of Prisons. The sentence was handed down on Friday when the Jamaican-born rapper appeared in court for his role in a $1 million luxury fraud scheme in South Florida. A judge ruled that while serving his prison term, half of any salary earned will go towards restitution. After his release, 10% of his monthly gross earnings will be applied to repayment. Kingston and his mother Janice Turner were arrested in May 2024 after a SWAT raid on his Southwest Ranches rental mansion. Both were convicted in March of conspiracy and multiple counts of wire fraud. Turner was sentenced last month to 5 years in prison, 3 years probation, and ordered to pay restitution with a hearing set for October 16. Idonia makes his return to the UK after 18 years.
Oh, got the man even know over there, dog. Over there. While UK, you know, thing, man. Yeah, there, man. Finally, man. I see.
A celebratory moment for the fourth-gen DJ, who marked his return to UK soil in a clip posted on Instagram from Heathrow Airport. Last month, Idonia was granted a visa and a work permit to headline the London staging of Sands Festival scheduled for this weekend. Now, Barris Hammond Day declared in the city of Boston.
I am here on behalf of Mayor Wu to present a very important document. It is Barris Hammond Day today officially.
Cheers and applause filled the Wilbur Performing Arts Theatre in Boston, Massachusetts, as Boston's Caribbean Cultural Advisor Bianca Rose, on behalf of Mayor Michelle Wu, declared August 13 as Barris Hammond Day, honoring his impact on reggae music.
Through his art history and storytelling, Barris Hammond has shaped reggae music, uplifted Caribbean cultural heritage, and fostered appreciation for Caribbean contributions globally. And Barris Hammond's music, spanning classics such as Rockaway, Tempted to Touch, and I Feel Good, has transcended borders, inspiring fans from Boston to Kingston and beyond.
This comes after a recent honor at Jamaica's 63rd Independence Grand Gala at the National Stadium on August 6, where he received the Reggae Icon Award. That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daedrian. Thank you for watching. Be safe.